What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to make your travel dreams come true. We're talking about island vacations, but not just any island vacations. We're talking about the top 10 budget-friendly island vacations for 2024. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going on an adventure to find the most incredible island destinations that won't break the bank. So, if you're ready to swap those boring everyday views for crystal clear waters and sandy beaches, buckle up. We're about to dive into a list of paradises that are totally within your reach. Get ready to explore some amazing destinations without breaking the bank. Imagine yourself enjoying a beach bonfire with friends, the sun setting in the background and the sound of waves gently crashing on the shore. Picture wandering through local markets filled with vibrant colors and fresh produce, where you can taste the local flavors without spending a fortune. Think about snorkeling in clear blue waters, discovering the underwater world, and making memories that will last a lifetime. And staying in cozy beachside bungalows that offer comfort and charm without the hefty price tag. Whether you're hiking through lush island trails, exploring hidden waterfalls, or simply relaxing on the beach, these budget-friendly islands have something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. Because these island escapes are not just affordable, they're priceless experiences waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 10 budget-friendly island destinations for 2024. Let's make those travel dreams a reality. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and destination guides. First up, we're heading over to Bali, Indonesia, a place I've actually been lucky enough to visit. Bali is an island that truly lives up to its reputation. This island is basically a synonym for paradise. From the moment you step off the plane, you're greeted with warm smiles and a sense of tranquility that is hard to find anywhere else. Picture this: lush rice terraces that cascade down the hillsides, ancient temples that whisper stories of the past, stunning beaches with golden sands and crystal clear waters. It's like something straight out of a movie. The natural beauty here is simply breathtaking. And the best part, it's insanely affordable. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy all that Bali has to offer. Seriously, you can find delicious street food for $1, from savory satay to sweet banana pancakes. The flavors are out of this world. Stay in cozy guest houses for like $10 a night, often with beautiful views and friendly hosts who make you feel right at home. And even rent a scooter to explore the island for next to nothing. Imagine cruising along the coast with the wind in your hair, discovering hidden gems at your own pace. Bali is proof that you don't need to be a millionaire to live the island dream. Whether you're a backpacker on a budget or just looking for a tropical getaway, Bali has something for everyone. Trust me, your Instagram feed will thank you. From the iconic swings overlooking the jungle to the vibrant markets and serene beaches, every corner of Bali is picture perfect. And let's not forget the rich culture and traditions. You can witness mesmerizing dance performances, participate in local ceremonies, and learn about the island's fascinating history. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, Bali is also a hub for yoga and wellness retreats. Imagine starting your day with a sunrise yoga session, followed by a spa treatment and healthy, delicious meals. If adventure is more your style, Bali won't disappoint. From surfing the waves in Kuta to hiking up Mount Batur for a sunrise view, there's no shortage of thrilling activities, and as the day comes to an end, don't miss the stunning sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's the perfect way to end a day in paradise. As night falls, explore the bustling night markets where you can shop for unique souvenirs, try more local delicacies, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Bali is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. So pack your bags and get ready to discover your own slice of paradise. Next up, let's jet over to Phuket, Thailand. This place is all about those iconic limestone cliffs rising out of turquoise waters. You know, the kind of scenery you see on postcards. But Phuket isn't just about looks, it's got adventure in its DNA. We're talking about exploring hidden coves by kayak, getting up close and personal with elephants at ethical sanctuaries, and even trying your hand at some Muay Thai. And don't even get me started on the food. Phuket's street food scene is next level, with mouth-watering dishes that cost less than your morning coffee. Now let's hop over to Crete, Greece. This island is a perfect blend of ancient history and modern Mediterranean vibes. Think exploring the ruins of Knossos, soaking up the sun on Elafonisi's pink sand beaches and getting lost in the charming streets of Chania. And when it comes to accommodation, Crete has something for everyone. You can find everything from budget-friendly hostels perfect for solo travelers to family-run guest houses that feel like a home away from home. Zanzibar, spice up your life. Ready for an adventure off the coast of Tanzania? Zanzibar is calling. This beautiful archipelago is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to unfold. This island is a melting pot of cultures with influences from Africa, the Middle East, and India. The rich history is evident in the architecture, the music, and the vibrant festivals that take place throughout the year. And let me tell you, those influences definitely extend to the food. Imagine savoring dishes that combine the best of all these worlds, creating a culinary experience like no other. Get ready for spice markets bursting with flavor, fresh seafood caught that day, and local dishes that'll tantalize your taste buds. From the famous Zanzibar pizza to the aromatic biryanis, every meal is a celebration of flavors. Don't miss a tour of the spice farms where you can see, smell, and taste the spices that have made Zanzibar famous. Learn about the history and cultivation of cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and take some home as a fragrant souvenir. Plus, Zanzibar is known for its all-inclusive resorts that offer incredible deals, especially during the off-season. These resorts provide everything you need for a perfect vacation, from luxurious accommodations to gourmet dining and exciting activities. So you can relax on pristine beaches, swim with dolphins, and experience the magic of Zanzibar without spending a fortune. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Zanzibar has something for everyone. Explore the narrow streets of Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where history comes alive with every step. Visit the Old Fort, the House of Wonders, and the Sultan's Palace to get a glimpse of Zanzibar's storied past. End your day with a sunset cruise on a traditional dhow boat, watching the sun dip below the horizon as you sail along the coast. It's the perfect way to wrap up your Zanzibar adventure. And when the sun goes down, the island's nightlife comes alive. From beach parties to live music, there's always something happening in Zanzibar. So, are you ready to spice up your life? Cebu Island hopping on a dime. Hold on tight because we're heading to the Philippines. Cebu is like the ultimate playground for island hoppers. We're talking about swimming with whale sharks in Oslab, chasing waterfalls in Molbol, and exploring the stunning islands of Bantayan and Malapascua. And the best part? Island hopping here is super affordable, thanks to local boats and ferries that cost less than your daily commute. Plus, Cebu is a foodie's paradise, with street food vendors selling everything from savory adobo to sweet mango sticky rice for less than $1. Canary Islands, sun, sand, and savings. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good dose of sunshine? The Canary Islands just off the coast of Spain are basically where summer goes on vacation. We're talking about year-round sunshine, volcanic landscapes, and beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. And guess what? You don't need a treasure chest to enjoy them. Look for budget airlines offering cheap flights, especially during the shoulder seasons. Once you're there, take advantage of the island's amazing public transportation system. It's a great way to explore without breaking the bank. Koh Samui, finding your zen. Time to unwind and embrace the tranquility of Koh Samui, Thailand. This island is all about those picture-perfect beaches, luxurious spas, and a laid-back vibe that'll instantly melt your stress away. But don't worry, you don't need to be a celebrity to enjoy Koh Samui. You can find affordable beachfront bungalows, indulge in delicious and cheap Thai massages, and even take cooking classes to learn the secrets of Thai cuisine. Malta, a Mediterranean gem. Get ready to be charmed by Malta, a tiny island nation in the heart of the Mediterranean. This place is like a history lover's dream, with ancient cities, stunning architecture, and a culture that's as rich as its past. And the best part, Malta is surprisingly affordable, especially when it comes to transportation. The island has a great public bus system that can get you pretty much anywhere you want to go for a few euros. Plus, you can find affordable accommodation options in charming guest houses and boutique hotels. Sri Lanka, the teardrop of India. Next up, we're venturing to Sri Lanka, an island nation just off the southern tip of India. This place is like a symphony for your senses, with vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and a culture that's both ancient and modern. And for budget travelers, Sri Lanka is a dream come true. The best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons, April to May and September to October, when the weather is still amazing but the prices are lower. You can find incredible deals on everything from accommodation to transportation to activities. Puerto Rico Island Paradise. Last but not least, let's head to Puerto Rico, a Caribbean gem that's closer than you think. This U.S. territory offers a taste of island life without the hassle of international travel. We're talking about pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and a vibrant culture that's impossible not to fall in love with. And the best part? Puerto Rico offers a wide range of budget-friendly options, from affordable flights to all-inclusive resorts that won't break the bank. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible island destinations that prove you don't need to be a millionaire to live the island dream. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your budget-friendly island getaway today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. And be sure to let us know in the comments which island you're most excited to visit in 2024.